Good morning and happy Monday. It's Eric here with a little video blog on this Monday morning. We had a raucous Sunday across parts of the valley with some heavy gusty storms and plenty of rain. And now the weather is about to improve big time for this week. But we've got to get through a few more raindrops today before the improvement really settles in. Before we get to today's weather, a quick review of the first 3 weeks of July. It has been the hottest first 3 weeks of July since the 1930s across our area. There we are in fifth place. All the years above where we are right now were back in the 1930s. So the first 21 days of July have been very, very warm across our region. That's not going to come as a big surprise to anyone. We did have an official heat wave Friday through Sunday, 91 Friday, 91 Saturday, 91 Sunday. Now, it didn't get quite as warm as we thought. Both days over the weekend, we can thank Saturday morning's clouds and storms for that, kind of those surprise thunderstorms we had. Saturday morning kind of kept the temperature from rising too quickly. So instead of 94 or 95, we got to 91, but it was still 3 consecutive 90-degree days, making it our first official heat wave since early September of last year. All right, on this Monday morning, we have a front overhead. Now, it's still kind of muggy out there this morning, but it is not as warm, and it's not going to be as warm today. And we do have some showers around. These showers will come and go for a time this morning before things start to improve in the rain department as we get into the afternoon. Where is the drier air? Well, the dew points are a little lower here locally than they have been, but the much more significantly drier air is off to our north and west. This is what is coming our way tonight and tomorrow, and boy, are you going to love the change. It is really going to feel awesome outside starting tomorrow with this kind of air mass. Dew points in the lower 50s heading our way starting tomorrow and taking us through really the rest of the week. So we have some things to look forward to in the weather this week. It's going to be a cloudier day today. The satellite this morning shows an extensive band of clouds extending all the way back to Indiana and Illinois. So a pretty cloudy, gloomy looking Monday, and that'll keep a lid on temperatures today. A lot of us will fail to get out of the mid-70s this afternoon. As far as the rain goes, showers most likely this morning. By early afternoon, most of these will be pushing to our south and east. This is the simulated radar at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. At this point, I think we're pretty much all dry. So if you work outdoors or have outdoor plans today, if you can hold them off till the afternoon, that would be ideal. Temperature-wise, again, we struggle up into the mid-70s today. It'll be a cooler than average day and about 15 degrees cooler than it has been over the last few days, but there's lots of summer left in the tank after a very comfortable stretch. It'll get warm by the end of the week and over the weekend, and as you can see as we head into August, lots of 80s, pretty typical stuff for early August. So the cool down's coming this week, but that doesn't mean that summer is over by any stretch of the imagination. There's lots and lots of summer left in the tank, and I think August will probably shape up to be yet another warmer than average month. More on the extended outlook on this week's edition of Weather for Weather Geeks. We'll have that each evening, Monday through Thursday this week. It's usually online by about 7:30, so hope you'll check that out. And I'll have an updated forecast, of course, this evening on 21 News at 6 and 11. Hope you'll tune in then.